Experiencing issues connecting your Google Nest Wi-Fi to your Spectrum modem? You're not alone. Spectrum modems often act as both a modem and a router, leading to conflicts. This creates a double NAT situation where both devices try to manage IP addresses. This causes slow speeds, dropped connections, and other network issues. The solution is to put your Spectrum modem into bridge mode or bypass setup. This disables the router functions of your Spectrum modem, letting your Nest Wi-Fi take over and manage your network. First, access your modem's interface by typing 192.168.0.1 into a web browser, or by logging into your account at spectrum.net. You can find the login credentials on a sticker on the modem itself. Next, look for settings such as Advanced, then WAN IP Pass-Through. Select the option for Bridge Mode or Pass-Through Mode. Some newer modems might also require you to enter your Nest Wi-Fi's MAC address to avoid any connection issues. Once enabled, save your changes and reboot both your Spectrum modem and your Google Nest Wi-Fi. Connect the Nest Wi-Fi to the modem via an Ethernet cable. Finally, set up your mesh network using the Google Home app. This ensures your Nest Wi-Fi is the only device managing your network, eliminating the double NAT issue and improving your Wi-Fi performance.